Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In C#, I will show you how to upload a file and to store it on your computer. So I have created a controller called index, and here we have a view for the index. So in this view, we create a class called container just for doing it. So basically, we need a form to be able to upload something. And this form should have a method called post because we're trying to upload a file. When you're uploading a file, you also have to change the encryption type. So how is a form encoding the data when it's sending? So the type, the ENC type should be multipart form data. I will include in my description what the difference between these three are, but by default it is if you don't define encryption type, it will use text/plain. But we're going to use multipart form data, and this is used when we are uploading a file. And in this form we need to have an input, and the input should be type of file. I should give it a name called like super fun file, and we should close that input. We also need to create a submit input, so we say type submit, and when we are pressing submit, we are posting this file to the index we are currently on the action result we're currently on, that's called index, to the similar index with a verb http post. So we're gonna create a public void index, and the verb for this one should be http post. And here we're gonna receive something called http file. No, sorry, post file. Is a posted file base, and the variable name here should be the same as a name here. So we need to take superfun file, add it here, and check if superfun file is not equal to null. If it's not equal to null, then we upload the file to our upload file map, and this is also created beforehand, but let me delete them. Add new ones, add new folder, fun files. So we use this file dot save, super fun file, do like that, dot save as. So we need to give it a path, and we can use server dot map path, and we say you should go to content, since this folder is in content, slash fun files, and we should upload the file name, super file name, like that. So let's try it out. So let's start the project. Is opening here. So this is an input type file, and this is a submit input. So we choose a file, and the file we're going to choose is only called 2 PNG. So 2 PNG. We're going to press send. Whoops, I have to choose a file again. Send. And the file we're sending now is called 2 PNG, and it's an image of PNG. So we check if it's null. If it's not null, then store it here. And this will fail now because we also have to add this. So now when we added this, we should just continue with the execution and check the file explorer. And the file explorer for fun files has now a file. And that's how you upload a file from your local computer and store it somewhere. So this could be stored on a server or on everything what you need to store it on your personal computer, on a map or something like that. Thank you for looking by in this tutorial, and hopefully it helps some of you guys. And see you next time.